We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your toner cartridge, and I'm working with an HP MFP M479-FDW. So first thing first, you're going to need to open this front hatch, and there's a button right here on the side. Pretty easy. And then this blue lever, we'll just kind of pop this out. Now there are color guides for each color because you'll have 4 different toners. The guides will be right here, so you can see the cyan goes here, and then so on. So what you want to do is take out your old cartridge, set it to the side, unbox your new one. You don't want to get them mixed up. And then just stick it in there. Once you hear your drawer click, then it should be good. And then you should be good to go. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.